There's Belly in the pool.
Stop, puppy. Hey, girl.
I'm swimming by herself. Oh, good girl, Belle. Oh, Hus loves it.
You get that one?
Good girl, Belle.
Good girl, puppy.
Belly's a good girl. You let her go?
No, I have my hand on her.
Good girl, Belle.
I'm worried about her doing that. I'm afraid she's just going to dive in.
She'll be alright. We gotta teach her to go to the stairs. Uh-oh. Nope.